2019 Honda Fit begins arriving at dealerships in the US on April 30th. A carryover model from the previous year, pricing for the 2019 Honda Fit stays the same at $17,080 including destination. Honda announced only 2 changes to the lineup, with the addition of auto high beams added to Honda sensing equipped models, and a new platinum pearl white exterior color that replaces White Orchid Pearl. The Fit is offered in 4 trim levels: LX, Sport, X, and XL. The LX, Sport, and X models all come standard with a 6-speed manual transmission, with a CVT available as an option for $800 additional. Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver-assistive and safety technologies, is only available on CVT models and costs $1,000 extra. The 2019 Honda Fit Sport is priced from $18,390, while the X trim is $19,050. At the top of the range is the XL, starting from $21,140. Adding navigation to the XL trim, $1,270 additional. Standard features on all 2019 Honda Fit models include rear view camera, liftgate spoiler, auto on-off headlights, LED tail lights, Bluetooth, and a multifunction center console. It's powered by a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder i-Tech engine producing 130 horsepower and 114 pound-feet of torque. Manual transmission models return 29 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway for a 31 mile per gallon combined rating, while the CVT delivers 33 mile per gallon city, 40 mile per gallon highway, and 36 mile per gallon combined. Buyers can choose from 8 different exterior colors: Helios Yellow Pearl, Orange Fury, Lunar Silver Metallic, Modern Steel Metallic, Crystal Black Pearl, Milano Red, Aegean Blue Metallic, and the new Platinum White Pearl. The 2019 Honda Fit for the US market is produced at the company's Celaya, Mexico plant.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.